Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Crunchyroll email. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email in Crunchyroll, firstly open up your Crunchyroll application. The home page of Crunchyroll application will appear on the screen. Click on Account option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on Change Email option. On the next page, click on Request Email Chains link. An email chains link will be sent to your email address associated with your Crunchyroll account for verification. Open your email and tap on Mail sent by Crunchyroll. Scroll down and click on Change Email. Now enter your new email. Confirm your new email by re-entering it. Create a password for your Crunchyroll account and click on Update Email. Your email will be successfully updated in no time. This is how you can change email in Crunchyroll application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.